Recently, historical videos on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok are gaining millions of views, even though they are easy to make. 2 YouTube channels went from 0 to over 200,000 subscribers in 5 months, all thanks to AI. These videos are very interesting. In this video, I'll teach you how to make similar content for social media. Let's check out the analytics of these channels. One of them gets 50 million views monthly, earning around $20,000 from ads. The other gets 20 million views, making about $8,000. If you keep watching, I'll share more ways to make money with these videos. To make this video, you'll need ChatGPT for scripting, AI image generators, video editing software, and an AI voice generator. Now let's proceed. There are 2 ways to create a script. You can ask ChatGPT to write a paragraph, but it may not be very interesting. For better results, follow the second method. Choose a video you like, copy the URL, transcribe it using DubDub, and ask ChatGPT to rephrase the text. This way, you'll have a more engaging and unique script with better chances of success. Now, let's move on to creating the visuals. I suggest using Midjourney for this, but if it's not an option due to cost, you can use Leonardo. Midjourney provides top-quality images, but for now, let's focus on Leonardo. Begin by visiting appleonardo.ai and start generating images for each scene in your video. You can try different prompts. Below, you'll find a PDF with some prompts to get you started. Keep generating until you find images and styles that fit your video. Now that we've crafted the script with ChatGPT and produced the images with Leonardo, it's time to add voice to our video. Many tools utilize AI to transform text into speech. In my case, I'm using 11 Labs. Here's how it works. First, open 11 Labs and navigate to the voice library section. Choose a voice that appeals to you. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy the script we created, and paste it into 11 Labs. Remove any empty parts and click the Generate button. Let's listen to how it sounds.
In the heart of ancient Sparta, where strength and endurance were paramount, a unique tradition surrounded the birth of Spartan babies, mothers.
Add the audio you just downloaded and drag it into the timeline. Then remove the spaces in the audio so that the speaker doesn't pause while talking. Now select all the images that Leonardo AI generated and drag them into CapCut. Then drag the first image onto the timeline. After that, resize the image in the timeline by going to the aspect ratio and choosing 9:16 as a mobile phone size. Next, try to adjust the image size. Do the same thing for the other images and try to adjust them nicely on the screen. Now let's move on to transitions and animations. Go to transitions, start with the left transition and add it between the 2 images. To apply an animation, click on the image. Go to the left side of the screen and click on animation. Apply the Shake 1 animation. For the second image, choose right. Place it between the 2 images and select Shake 3 as the animation. Now let's move on to the filters. To apply the filters, go to the filter section, choose the clear filter, and drag it into the timeline. Apply this filter to the entire project. Now let's move on to the effects. To apply the effects, go to the effects section, where you will find many effects. Look for the effect you like and apply it either to a single image or to multiple images at once. Now let's move on to subtitles. To apply subtitles, go to the text section at the top, then click on Auto Caption. Leave it set to English, check Clear Current. CapCut will automatically generate subtitles for the audio. Then reduce the timeline and make sure you've selected all the subtitles. In the animation section, go to Caption and choose the last option pop-up so that the subtitles will be displayed word by word. Next, increase the font size and change the font style to one called Bangers. Okay, let's add some music to the video. Visit toontank.com and look for the tribe's name that matches the theme you want. All the songs on this website are free from copyright issues. If you somehow end up with a copyright claim, you can just put your video's URL in the copyright claim section of the website. Now let's see how the video's looking.
In the heart of ancient Sparta, where strength and endurance were paramount, a unique tradition surrounded the birth of Spartan babies, mothers. Instead of using water, bathed their infants in wine. This unconventional practice was a test of the child's strength and vitality, symbolizing the indomitable spirit of the Spartan people. Fast forward to the late 19th century, and you'll find a rather unexpected origin story for breakfast staple we now take for granted, cornflakes.
If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe for more content, and feel free to leave a comment. I'll respond to every comment.